Hi guys, nandito naman tayo sa ating Java tutorial series. Ang ating pag-usapan ngayon ay switch statement. Punta tayo dito sa definition. Definition: switch statement used to check multiple condition at one time. Difference of if-else statement: if-else check logical condition but switch check only expression. Switch keyword use break keyword. Dito tayo sa switch statement works. Value of expression is compared with the value of the case of each statement. If case value equal to the expression value, the particular case statement is executed. Punta tayo dito sa syntax of switch statement. Switch statement followed by parenthesis, open close parenthesis, then inside the open close parenthesis there's expression. Okay, then followed by curly braces, open close curly braces, then inside of this is the cases, then case, then the value, which is whatever the type of expression is, also type of the value. For example, if this is string, so this is string. If this is int, this is int. Then followed by colon, then after the colon there's a statement. Okay, the next is every statement has semicolon. Okay, the next is another case, then value, then statement, or if we put break, then default. So dito switch is a Java keyword, also case, default, break, that is reserved keyword. Okay, case can have any type of cases. Case won't have unequal values of statement, optional. Then break, terminate statement sequence. So that is i-break niya yung statement if we put break. So default, if the cases is not equal, have no equal value of the expression, so i-execute niya yung statement ng default. Okay, so punta tayo dito sa ating example, switch statement example. So scanner input equal new scanner system.in, then system out print enter grade. So ito na, ito yung ating input guys. Then for example, if we input 5, then sa ating keyboard yung grade equal 5. So yung grade dito sa switch niya guys is 5. So hanapin niya yung value dito guys. Okay, so for example, grade equal 5, so hanapin niya yung case. So ito yung equal value, so ito yung i-execute niya yung statement na ito. The next is i-break niya, so hindi niya yun babasahin yung other cases or default. So punta tayo dito sa ating example. So dito guys, tinype ko na kasi okay, ayokong aksaya tayo ng oras. So dito guys, for example, ating example is grade is 5, so pwede itong ito yung ipiprint niya. So let's try. So 5, so grade is 5 yung the output. For example 5, so grade is 5. So for example, if we delete this break, so itry natin yung run yung 5. So dito guys is satisfied na yung equal na yung value sa grade, so wala siyang break. So next line is kanyang babasahin, at saka dito ipiprint niya yung statement. then dito niya i-break, then ito hindi niya babasahin. So ang output niya dito guys is grade is 5 and grade is 6. So ito yung babasahin niya, kanyang output. So 5, so dalawa yung i-print niya, grade is 5, grade is 6. So dito kasi walang break dito guys, so lagyan natin ng break. For example, if wala yung break guys, so dito guys is grade is 4. So yung ipiprint niya guys, ito lang yung ipiprint niya, grade is 4. Okay, so grade is 4 kasi naka-break na siya. Hindi na niya babasahin yung sunod na lines. Okay, so break. For example, if we input 20, so walang equal na value dito sa ating expression guys. For example, 20, wala siyang equal, so dito siya pupunta sa default. Okay, so let's try 20. So invalid input. Okay, so dito guys is magagamit natin yan, kumpara natin yung if else statement. For example, grade, mag-error kasi siya guys kasi sa ating compiler, ang if else statement needs logical condition. So walang true or false, pero kung lagyan natin ng greater than 20, so magiging condition na yan, not expression. So tulad dito, grade plus 10, so magiging expression ito guys, hindi condition. So mag-error yan. So lagyan natin ng plus 20, so hindi yan mag-error kasi expression, which is 5 plus 20, that is return 25. Okay, so ang importante nito guys sa ating sa program nito, halimbawa yung grade, for example grade 6 has algebra, so lagyan natin ng algebra dito guys. Okay, system has algebra. So yung grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, wala silang subject na algebra, iba yung subject nila guys. So pwede tayong lalagay tayo ng maraming statement dito guys. Okay, subject. Okay, then algebra. So pwede tayong lalagay na tayo ng mga okay, pwede tayong lalagay tayo ng maraming statement. Then yun talaga yung kakaibahan dito guys. So okay, pwede tayong maglagay ng maraming statement. So every cases has different, okay, meron silang kaibang statement. So ito yung magagamit natin yan sa tulad ng ganito na problema. Okay, na for example yung kailangan natin ay expression lang, pero meron tayong maraming statement na pwedeng i-output, mga posibilidad na pwedeng i-output. So ito yung mabisang statement, switch case or switch statement. So for example, if we input 6, okay, 6, so grade is 6, then subject algebra. So ganun lang yun guys, yun yung kaibahan at yung gamit nito sa ating program. The next is, for example, if we change this to string, so next line, ating next line, then change it to string, ano, dito tayo guys. Okay, for example, if we put 7, So wala siyang error guys, kasi yung value ng primitive natin guys is allows, for example, ang primitive natin byte is negative 128 to positive 127. So hindi siya nag-error kasi pwede siya maging value ng ating expression. So ganyan, pwede baliktad. Okay, so pwedeng ganun. The next is try natin sa string. String. Okay. Next line. Okay. Next line is, for example, pangalan. Di ba? Then name. Change natin to name. Then name. So hindi na yan mag-error kasi primitive. Okay. Kahit anong type ay pwede nating ilagay. So dito guys is, for example, next is James. Kasi ganito yung pag-declare sa atin ng string. Okay, so string, then okay, so string naman ito. So string naman ito sa ating primitive. So hindi siya mag-error kasi pero pareha sila ng type. So okay. So ito-try natin guys, dito patakbuhin natin. Okay, for example, ano ba si James? So grade is 2. So James. So invalid input kasi James. Okay, lahing ibang James yan. Games, okay. So let's try. Sorry guys. Okay. Yung keyboard talaga nagkamali. Okay, so James, so i-print niya yung grade is 2. So I hope guys na meron kayong natutunan dito, at kung gusto nyo pang matuto or gusto nyong madagdagan or training, pwede kayong mag-subscribe. Okay, mag-subscribe kasi marami pa akong tatalakayin, pag-usapan. So nakita tayo muli guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.